Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab M7 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and install your new default apps. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. When your apps are ready, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down, click on Apps and Notifications, and then select Default Apps. Following that, tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, tap on Opera Mini in order to apply it, and then select the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!